Greetings, everybody. This is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be looking at Clapper again. I made a video about this a few months back, so this is going to be an updated tutorial slash review of the app. So as you can see here, this is your For You page where it shows all of the pages that are recommended to you, different accounts recommended to you, and then it also shows just everything you can scroll through here. Some reposts of TikTok, some videos that are on the For You page, and it recommends it to you. So you can also go through what you're following. So you can go to see what your followers are posting by clicking up there, and then it shows all the content from the people that you follow. So that way you can just check out and see what they're doing. And then you can also set a location so that you can see videos on location. And then it shows here your search page where it allows you to look at different promotions going on, all live streams. So if you are a Clapper member, if you create an account, you can automatically live stream, which is really nice. You don't have to have a follower requirement. So as you can see, there's like different categories here where it shows hashtag St. Patty's Day 23, and you can just chime in and follow different topics here, which is cool. We'll do the jig, earthquake, Super Bowl, just stuff like that, different topics. And most of these hashtags are trending, so you'll have a lot of opportunities to get exposure there. And then for the icon on the top, you can look at and see who sent you messages, and then you can respond to people sending you messages. So you can just say hello. So to respond to a message, you just click on the user's name, type it in, and then press the little arrow, and that is how you do it. And then you can go suggested for you. You can follow other people there and see what their content's like, which is really nice. And then I'll show you what a sample page looks like here in just a moment, but there's a lot of pages you can follow. So there you go. So we're going to show you my page and what Clapper pages look like when you have the app. So this is my page. It shows my name, information, then also the content that I have uploaded there. So it's really nice and really detailed. So that way you can see what kind of content I posted. So I just joined recently after a break, and I made a new account. So I have 166 followers and 119 likes, and you can make income on here as well through different things. And then you can also get verified with check marks if you reach a certain follower goal. But they don't really give you the features because you already have them. So there's the list of content, there's the videos that I've liked, and it shows how many likes that I have and how many people that I follow. And like I said, I've just started out on here once again, so I don't have a lot of content, but this is just something that you see here, and this is what it looks like. So then you can also create a group where you can allow people to come to your group and speak to you and chat with you directly, just as interaction with different fans, which is really nice. And then you can change your photo, and then you can set your categories, and then you can have like a certain limit of people. So it's really cool. And then their settings page shows here you can manage accounts, cache, push notifications, safety, report a problem, and then you can also add music to your account if you have a music account. If you're a musician, then you can go here and submit a form. It'll just load in just a couple minutes here. It'll load in a form, so you can just fill out this form and send your music, and then people will be able to use your music, which is really nice. So that is really cool. And what I can also describe is the radio function. So radio is basically like Twitter Spaces. So you can upload a video, you can submit it live, and then you can just get started with that. So then you can type in the name of the space and then start radio, and then you can do like a voice conversation and invite people in, which is really cool. So that way it allows you to do that, and it's really interactive. You can interact with a lot of people that way, which is really nice. So I had no problems with it because I've done it before. And then you can also just look through everything here, check out different users, different content, and just see and explore what the site has to offer. So they've changed everything completely about this app, which is really nice, so that you can check out more content, and it's amazing. They got different topics and categories, and you can just go in and find your community and just make your presence known, which is really cool. So that is really nice. And what we're also going to go through here is you can just do like live streams. You can host lives. You don't have to have an account, or you don't have to have a certain number of followers, so you can go to live. And then they also updated, hey, oh, there's my face right there. I was recording it earlier, but I didn't pick up on the microphone. So you can adjust and enhance your face here with the enhance filter, and then if you go all the way down, you can see all the blemishes there. So they got these new features that I haven't seen before. So you can enhance your face here. You can also enhance your eyes. Then you can also enhance your face where it controls the shape of your face, which is really neat. And this is something that I haven't seen before. And then they also have filters where you can see the filters and you can adjust the filter strength to however you like. So this is new, and you can just do your live like this, and then once you've saved your changes, then you start your live, and then you just go there and start your live, and then you can flip the camera around to however you like, and then you can name your live, and you can have people interact with you. So it's really neat. So there you go. That's one of the newest features of Clapper that I've seen. And you can also find new people to follow. So one thing I forgot to tell you. This is how you upload a live. So basically, when you go to video, you click on video, and then it gives you the option to select your camera. So by default, it will do the front-facing camera here, or rear-facing camera. No, this is the front-facing camera. But if you also adjust your look, you can flip it, and then you can record your clap with just this button here. And then they also have what's called the Clapback function, and then you can also upload straight from your folders. And then the clapback function is basically just like video responses. So you're doing like a stitch or a clapback. And then you can also turn on the beauty function here to beautify yourself. And then they have a speed function as well. So that way you can record it as slowly or as fast as you can. And then they also have the flash function, but that's only enabled if you have this camera here. So flash is enabled there if you want to record with that. So let's just say you want to record this. Post, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching.